So you're going to talk to you, Riley?
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm talking to you.
Alright. So I'm going to need your details.
Just turn around so I can see how they got them cuffed on you, Raymond. Move, Simon. Move, Simon. Raymond, shut your mouth. Right now. Raylene Daly.
I need your name.
Raylene. Simon! Simon! Nicky, grab him, Nicky, before I whack him. Right in front of the police.
Riley, how do you spell that?
Alright.
He was it?
Alright. D-A-L-Y.
You're lucky by your fucking
E-Y.
Is that your surname?
Raymond, shut up, Raymond. You want to go to Coburn? Do you want to go to Coburn?
Alright, what's your address?
28.
Yep.
Taranaki Avenue. Lethbridge Park.
1, 2, 3. You got
What's your date of birth?
1, 2, 3.
13/12/1975.
You know what I mean by that?
1312.
1975.
Your contact number?
04
Yep.
733
Yep.
75 368. Yep.
Alright, and what's your kid's name now?
But you arrested him and you don't even know his name.
Yeah, that's why he's
You arrested him and you don't know his name. Well, he's under arrest because you don't know his name.
No, he's under arrest because we
Yeah,
can't sort
but
him.
what's his name?
Mummy,
I know, that's why I'm asking you, what's his name?
You walked straight up to me and said my name, you stupid.
What's his name?
Fuck, that's why you pissed me off, you dumb dog.
Raymond, does he know your name?
What's
He
his
jumped
last
out the
name?
car, walked around and see corner, he's like, stop right there, man. He was not...
So you jumped out of the car and you said, stop right there, Raymond. And now you're asking me what his name is. But you know his name.
No, I need his name and I need his details.
But you know his name.
No, I need his name and details.
But you already know his name because you jumped out of the police car and asked him what his name was.
I'm trying to find out what his details are, so you're going to tell me?
You know his first name, mate.
Yeah, what's his last name?
P-I-double-T.
Yes,
P-I-double-T.
there you go, thank you. Yes? P-I-double-T?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's it. That's his surname.
Raymond Pitt?
Yep.
Yep, and what's his, is he live with you, does he?
Yep.
And what's his date of birth?
His date of birth is 11th of the 8th, 03.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, no worries.
Raymond.
Like I said, he's been involved in throwing rocks at passing vehicles, as well as a bus causing damage to 2 different bus windows. Alright? You can go back with you now.
Yeah, and when you come, grab my bag and just walk along. Straight over into Pop's Way. Straight to Pop's Way. Because this here is going viral, this motherfucker. Don't worry, show me. You fucking lucky, show me your wrist. Show me your wrist. Don't worry, it's going Facebook and when I get home. Mandrill, please. I wouldn't show me on
Yep, no
Facebook.
worries. That's fine. That's alright.
He's nice, this one. No, I like that one.
No worries.
I like that one. Right under my handbag there. Over to Pops, over to Pops, Pops, Pops. I said to Pops. Over to Pops. Nicky. Oh, it'd be better if people leave my kids alone. Hi, Anna Shazzy, how are you, darling?